Multnomah County leaders and the Portland City Council discussed steps the county needs to take before applying for phase 1 of reopening. Multnomah County is now one of only 3 counties left that hasn't yet moved on to that phase. Clackamas County has applied and is now waiting for clearance by the state. Washington County has also not yet applied. Fox 12's Sarah Hurwitz is live now for us with a breakdown of the Multnomah County's process and progress. Sarah?
Well, yeah, the biggest takeaways, according to Multnomah County health officials today, the county is meeting a number of criteria, but contact tracing is an area that they still have some work to do, and that did take up a large portion of the conversation this morning. Now, Multnomah County health leaders do say that the county is meeting criteria as far as PPE goes for hospitals and first responders. County health leaders also said that the county is meeting criteria for isolation facilities. That means it has a plan in place to provide hotel rooms or shelter locations for people who cannot self-quarantine if they're required to do so. Now, contact tracing is where the county is focusing its work. According to health officials, the county is 36% to its goal of having enough contact tracers. Now, health officials, they overviewed what the contact tracing process looks like, mentioning that the people being hired to do the work need to reflect the community. They need to have some connection to health care, and they also need to be able to speak other languages. Health officials say that the contact tracing process also involves figuring out how to help people who might need to self-quarantine.
Really fast, easy access to dropping off food boxes, to bringing disinfectant products to somebody's house. If we're asking them to isolate, we're asking them to not take the bus to the grocery store, right? So what are the supports that they're going to need, and how can we use our community partnerships with the folks who already do that kind of work with people?
And at this point, Multnomah County has not set its timeline for applying for phase 1 of reopening. Reporting live, Sarah Hurwitz, Fox 12 Oregon.